Hey lovelies, it's Frederica and I'm back with another cooking video. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what I'm making for dinner. I'm going to make these Eckrich smoked turkey sausage. This is what I use. There's nothing in there right now because what I did first was I cooked them in my rice cooker, which I've told you guys about this Emusa. I hope I'm saying it right. Emusa. Anyway, it's over at Target. I could be saying it wrong. Emusa rice cooker. Way back in the day in the vlogs. I think last year I told you in April or something when I had a big, huge Target haul. I had to rebuy it. These are literally only $15 at Target. They could be more than that now. You know, inflation is real. But I just made some rice for tonight. It's probably, you can see it steaming or whatever. Then I made some more eggs. I use these eggs, Eggland's Best, because they have all these vitamins in them. And they have omega acids, which are really good. And they have vegetarian fed hens, so that's really good and healthy. And these turkey sausage, what I just showed you, I'm actually going to put these in a skillet and make them have that grilled texture because when I put them in here like this, it'll have boiled and I kind of boil off all the fats and things like that. But when I get everything completed, I will come back to you all and let you know. I'm thinking about adding some vegetables with this too. My daughter doesn't like the onions and the peppers and all that, but if she doesn't want it, she could just pick it off. But I want that to be added with this sausage. So I'll check back in with you all on that one, okay? So this is what I'm going to add to the turkey sausage. These are called Bird's Eye Tricolored Pepper and Onion Medley. I'm going to use some of these. My daughter didn't want any of them, but I'm still going to put it in here. I already cut up the sausage. I got to add a little oil. And, of course, she wants me to make biscuits tonight. I wasn't planning on it, but, you know, these grand flaky layers, everybody loves these biscuits. So let me finish up with this and I'll get back to you all, okay? Okay, lovely. So now I'm just preparing the biscuits. I'm going to wash my hands really quickly. I think I used a little too much soap. My daughter is the camera woman right now. She's the one making me make these biscuits. Usually, you know, I like the pop sound, but these are a little frozen, so I don't know. May not be acting right. Ooh, there's the pop. Cool. All right. Okay, the biscuits are ready to go. I'm going to bake these for about 14 minutes, and they should come out nice and brown. And I've already put the oil in the turkey sausage. I used a little bit of olive oil. And we're also going to use a little of these veggies on the side, and I'm going to mix them up, and I'll come back with you guys shortly, okay? Lovelies, I'm just checking back in. This is the way the turkey sausage are looking with the medley of vegetables in here. I put a small amount because I had like a package of turkey sausage. I didn't have like a bunch of them, so I didn't use the whole pack. I used a half a pack, and then I just added in here. I'm going to make it until they like have a little like char grilled effect to them, and then I'm going to take them off of here for a minute. So right now they're just going, and yeah, I'm going to cook them till they get a little bit browner. And the veggies. The only thing I don't like about this package is they don't cut their onions good enough. So I really have to like go over it for them to be smaller. I don't like onions all chunked up. I like them like sliced, you know, in small pieces. And that's just the only thing that they don't do. The other part of the vegetables, the peppers, they're done really well, but not the onions. So I don't know. They just do a real like humongous. But anyway, I'll check back in with you once everything's all prepared. So these are the biscuits. They go up for 14 minutes at 400 degrees. And they should be rising and hopefully looking cute soon. And I'll check back in with you all. I'll say looking good, not looking cute. This is not fashion. This is the food video. Okay. All right, y'all. Okay, lovelies. Lovelies, this is the completed version of everything. We got the biscuits. They just came out. I left one in the can, so I got to recook that one by itself. There's the eggs, there's the rice, and these I'm finishing up on the turkey sausage with the veggies in there. I like it to be well done. So yeah, that's it. And I'm going to eat good, and I'll put some pictures in there for you so you can see. So as you can see, this is something you can have in the morning or at night. But I chose to have this for dinner, and it's kind of just like what I had the last time. I had this part last time, but I added some rice and something else to it. So you can do that too. All right? Love you guys, and we will see you in the next one. Bye. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But even if you don't comment, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Okay, love you guys. Bye.